In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make garden-style vegetable soup. Start by gathering some fresh herbs: bay leaf, thyme, and flat leaf parsley. Come on down to the garden. That's a lot of garlic. No vampires here. Let us be friends. These collard greens were planted last year. Unfortunately, they've already bolted, but we're going to go ahead and use them anyway. I started off by sautéing carrots, celery, onion, red bell pepper, and cabbage. Add your herbs and some collards. Add a small can of diced tomatoes. Add 1 diced potato. Add 8 cups of water and bring to a simmer. If you've never tried this type of tomato bouillon with chicken, you're missing out. Start off using 2 cubes. You might need to add more later. Go ahead and add your beans. I use garbanzos and light red kidney beans. Give it a taste after simmering for 10 minutes. Wow, that is good. I eventually added 1 more bouillon cube. Add in 1 cup of pasta. I used the small shells. Continue to simmer until the pasta is cooked al dente. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.